Plastic. Since the 1950s, plastics have become one of the most widely used materials around the world. They are now prevalent throughout the supply chains of the majority of the world's industries. They are used in everything from toothbrushes to automobiles, and from cigarette lighters to the latest electronics, and they have become particularly prevalent as packaging for virtually all products that are sold. Today, we churn out over 100 million tons of plastic every year, and that number is growing fast. The problem is that everything that makes plastic so great for products makes them equally bad for the environment. The structure that makes them so strong means that most plastics will not naturally biodegrade for many tens of thousands of years, and many never will. They are very difficult and expensive to recycle, so once we're done with our plastic products, it's normally easier to just throw them away. And so where does it all go? Well, much of the plastic ends up buried underground. However, a lot gets into our waterways, and it ends up in our oceans, forming areas like the 10 million square mile Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This area is now thought to be twice the size of France, with millions of tons of plastic spread across hundreds of miles of remote ocean. The plastic gradually breaks down into countless trillions of small pieces, and now huge areas of ocean contain far more plastic than plankton. Millions of seabirds, hundreds of thousands of marine mammals, and countless fish die every year by ingesting this plastic debris. And the problem gets worse. Scientists have discovered that man-made toxins in seawater are attracted to these plastic fragments. Concentrated poisons as high as 1 million times their normal occurrence can be found in animals that have ingested plastic fragments. And worst of all, scientists have recently discovered that plankton and fish are ingesting these tiny toxic fragments, and this material is entering our food chain. So what are people doing to fight this problem?